Hello guys, welcome back to another video, part 3 of the GCSE Higher Paper 2 AQA revision content. So we've got question 13 and it says, here is a quadratic graph. Circle the x-coordinate of the turning point of the graph. So we can see the turning point is over here. It's where the function goes from decreasing to increasing, and the gradient of that function at the point is 0. So we can see that the x-coordinate is 1. That's it. Right, next we have a cube has an edge length of 0.9 meters. Work out the total surface area of the cube. Well, we're lucky. It's a cube, so all the faces are squares and they're going to be the same area. It says give your answer in square centimeters. So a good thing to do would be to first of all convert this into centimeters first. So this is 90 centimeters. And then start doing your work. I've seen so many people work out the surface area and then try to multiply by 100, and then it just goes wrong. It goes left. It goes south. So now we've got that. So to work out the area of one of the faces, we've got 90 centimeters and 90 centimeters over here. And the area of one face is equal to 90 centimeters by 90 centimeters, which is 8,100 centimeters squared. And then we have 8,100 multiplied by 6, because we've got 6 faces. So the area of 6 faces is equal to 8,100 centimeters squared multiplied by 6, which is 48,600 centimeters squared. So there we go. 48600, like that. 3 marks. Thank you very much. Right, next. Here is the net of a cuboid. The net shows the area of each face, and it says work out the volume. So this is an interesting question because they've given us the area of each face, so we need to work out what the lengths of the sides are. So this is fun. So what could this be? Well, we can see that this 20 is next to this 15, so there are certain numbers that have to have to work for both rectangles. For example, 420, I could say, 4 by 5 is 20. But then you run into problems of this being an awkward number. 5 times what gives you 12? Well, what is that going to be? So that's going to be like 2.4. But then you run into a problem, because if that's 2.4, that means this would also have to be 2.4. But then you have 2.4 multiplied by 4, which doesn't give you 15. So that's a problem. So we need to be very careful with how we reorganize this. So I tried 5 and 4 in the way that I did it, but that's not going to work. So let me try it like this. 5 here and 4 here, which means obviously this would be 5. So 5 by 4 gives you 20. And then if I put 3 here, because 4 times 3 is going to give us 12, it also means that when you fold this up, this is going to line up nicely with this, which means that this will be 3. And then you have the 5 times 3 gives you the 15 that we're looking for. But also remember that if that's 5, this is also going to be 5, and that's also going to be 5. So therefore, that's going to be 4. So now in our cube, we've got that this bottom bit, which was 20, is made up of 5 and 4. And then this top bit is going to be the 3. So finally, 5 times 4 times 3 would be the volume. So 5 centimeters by 4 centimeters by 3 centimeters. That's going to give us 60 centimeters cubed. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep it moving. 5 whole numbers are written in order. The mean and median of the 5 numbers are the same. Work out the value of x and y. Okay, so first of all, the fact that they've been written in order is good. We've got 7 over here and 11 here. So first of all, we're limited, which is good, with the values that x and y can be. So x and y, well, they've both got to be in between 7 and 11. So I can say 7 is less than or equal to x and y, which are less than equal to 11. In fact, because it's written in order, it means that y is also less than or equal to, x is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 11. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, let's just guess. Let's just guess some numbers. So let's just say x is, I don't know, let's go for x being 8 and y being 10. Okay, so what we end up having is the mean is going to be 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 11. So what is that? 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 8 is 19, plus 10 is 29, plus 11 is 40, divided by 5. That gives you 8. Oh, ha! Got it on the first try. But what I would have said was if it wasn't that, then I would have had to change the values. And remember, there's only so many values you've got to try. So that is a technique that you can use. Let me just double check that. 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 11. Oh, when you put the wrong thing in the calculator. 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 11. Yep, 40 divided by 5 is 8. Yep. So that works. And then the median is the middle number. So in this case, the middle number works out to be 8. So the median is 8. The mean is 8. So this works. This combination of numbers works. So we can stop here. X equals 8. Y is equal to 10. Right. Next, we've got these expressions represent 4 numbers. The value of the median of the expressions is 12. Okay, so we know the median is 12. So the middle number is actually going to be here, which is halfway between these two. Whenever you've got a halfway kind of situation, you can just take the two numbers either side, add them up, and divide by 2. So in this case, 2x, which is the number on the left, plus 6x, the number on the right, divided by 2, that's going to give us 12. Because we've been told that the median is 12. 2x plus 6x is 8x. So that gives us 8x over 2 equals 12. Okay. And then if I do 8x divided by 2, well, that's 4. So 4x equals 12. Divide both sides by 4, I get x is equal to 3. Okay, so now I have that the numbers are, well, instead of it being x, I'm going to say it's equal to 3. And the next number, instead of it being 2x, that's going to be 2 times 3, which is 6. And the next number, instead of being 6x, it's going to be 6 times 3, which is 18. And the next number, instead of being 11x, it's going to be 11 times 3, which is 33. Now, these are my 4 numbers. I can find the mean. So I've got 3 plus 6 plus 18 plus 33. And I'm dividing that by 4. So 3 plus 6 plus 18 plus 33, and then divide that by 4, and that's going to give me 15. I use the calculator, by the way. Don't think I'm some mental maths expert. So yeah, I mean, it's 15. That's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one where we will carry on with some more questions.